Hi, my name is Warren Wilson, and I'm an intern at the Savannah office of America's Home Place. I am currently a civil engineering major at Georgia Southern University. I would like to do things in the field of construction as well. I'm very grateful to get this opportunity, see the processes behind building a house, get familiar with all the types of contractors you would need to work with, get familiar with the tools that you would need to use at different steps. This job really allows me to work in the field and hands-on. My day-to-day schedule can range from in-office activities to on-site construction. Up close and personal, I get to watch project managers interact with contractors, watch the houses be physically built. I also get to watch the interaction between the project managers and customers and the people skills that are required for that role. I learned that it takes extensive amounts of communication with different contractors and the customers and manage not only the construction of the project, but also people in general. I've gotten the great opportunity to work with a diverse group of individuals who have very different needs and wants from their properties. So it's great being able to go out there and meet different people and be able to meet their needs. Being an intern at America's Home Place, I gain not only skills to use in the field of construction and engineering, but I also gain life skills. Being able to talk to people, showing compassion, having resilience, and being able to work together with people. Everybody here is extremely friendly. The contractors and the general managers all take time to get to know you. You're joining a great team environment with a plethora of individuals that can help you with any issue or question you may have. I feel as if I'm much more prepared for not only my career, but life in general. If you're interested in becoming an intern, you can learn more at americashomeplace.com.